Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video on QGIS. My name is Lalit from Map Mentors. Today we are going to explore about the interfaces of QGIS and we're gonna learn how to download the different shape files for the world or from or your specific region. Let's get started. So this is the interface of QGIS. When you search QGIS, it will show the version and name of QGIS. Just click open and you will be directed to this type of interface. This is a browse layer. This is the layer layer section, and there is processing toolbox and layer styling. You might not get all this type of icons here because for that you need to activate certain plugins. We'll learn about that in another video. So from the project you can see there are different type of options and edit, view, layer, setting, plugins. So in plugin you might only get manage and install plugin and Python console, or that this plugin needs to be installed manually. Then in Vector, there is a group stat, quick OSM. This is also a plugin. In geoprocessing tool, you will find buffer, clip, and many more. And in geometry tools, you will get centroid geometrics, and all of these analysis tool, research tool, data management tools. And in raster, you will get different raster analysis toolbox, and in database, web, mesh, and all that. So the one question I receive a lot is how to download the data that we did. By default, QGIS also provide Word shape file to type Word in the coordinate box given here. When you click Word, you will get this type of Word shape file. And in this Word shape file, you can see there was no layer before, but when the Word shape file is displayed in this canvas, you will get the world map layer here. We might need a lot of more shape files rather than just the country boundary. So let's explore how can we download those vector shape file in our system. So I have prepared a couple of websites here and to help you. I have collected some website for you to get started with your data download process. So first one is for the Nepal. It is managed by government of Nepal, Ministry of Land Management, Cooperative and Poverty Elevation Survey Department. The name of this website is nationalgeoportal.gov.np. You need to create an account, log in, and you will find a whole lot of data. For example, first order horizontal centered point, airport polygons, health facilities, and all. You can also filter from here. For example, if you need the administrative boundary, you can click here and you will get district level, local units, province, and administrative boundaries. So if you need land use data, you can get the land use of map of Kathmandu Valley. I think the land use data is very limited here. You might search for the LiDAR data. You can see there are LiDAR counterpoint, digital trend model, and all. The next website I used to use a lot is divagis.org. This website provides a shape file of different countries. To download your specific region, just click in select a country. You need to select a country. For example, I'm going to select Nepal, and the subject is administrative areas, inland water, road, railway, elevation, and all. So for example, I want to download population data and choose a grid. This is geotiff. Geotiff means it's a raster data. For example, if you want to download inland water, you can do that from here. The next one is the official account of the World Bank. The website is datacatalog.worldbank.org. You will also find some of the data from this catalog, but I personally don't use this World Bank website that much. And the next one is for Nepal National Prosper Nature Conservation. This is the NTNC geoportal. You can find whole lot of data, especially related to the wildlife. For example, you can find Nepal provincial level data set created by Anil Vasetai, then mask palm caveat. This is created by NTNC, and lot uh, data sets are available here. If you are interested in working with wildlife, you may find this data portal interesting. The another one is GIS map .com, and you will find a lot of data here. Like it's a huge data set. You can find different type of data set, like for example, office building data set in Shapefile and all. You can explore yourself, and the categories are very huge. For example, QGIS, PostGIS, OpenStreet, KMZ, KML, Shapefiles are here. You can also explore this from here. I'll paste a link of all the dataset in my YouTube description. You can direct yourself from clicking in the link. So let's go back to the QGIS. So to input data from your local machine, there are multiple ways. For example, the first one and the standard one is to go through the layer. You can see here is a layer. Then we'll go to add layer. So what type of data we want to add? For example, vector, raster, mesh, delimited text layer. For now, we are going to import the vector layer. So I'll click to vector layer. Then this type of dialog box is open. We are going to import from browse. Click on browse, then go to your folder. So in my case, I have dataset in all shapes folder. I'll click one of this dataset. For example, I want to import district.ssp. So in SSP's format, there are a lot of other format that comes along with SSP. For example, SPS, SPN. So we just need to click in SSP and and open. So once you click on that format, it will give the directory of that shape file. For example, I have this shape file in D drive and inside all shapes folder. And you can also do a lot of things here, but we are going to leave it default. And then we'll click add and we'll click close. So when you click add, it will show a very small size. You can make it large by right clicking in district and zoom to layer. So in this way you can import a shape file in your QGIS. So to change the color and for the styling, you just need to click in the name of the file which you want to do styling, and in layers there is a icon, brush icon. Just click in brush icon and it will come in your left right hand side. So here, from here you can just change the color. For example, I am going to make it transparent, and you can change the boundary also, like the for example, the stroke width is 0.26. If you want to make it a little more bold, you can increase the size, or if you want to make it thin, you can decrease the size. And then you can change the unit also, point, pixel, meter, scale. You can also change the color of the boundary by this here. Just click in stroke color and change the color according to your preference. Then in stroke style, there is solid line, there is no line, dashed line, dot line, and many more. You can explore it from here. So today we learned about how to download the data and how to import the data and general interface of the QGIS. In next video, we are going to learn about how to clip certain areas from your shape file and do the other analysis. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in next video. Thanks.